From day one, as all our fellows do, I was able to get tremendous amounts of hands-on experience in the cath lab, which really laid a solid foundation for my interventional cardiology fellowship.
When I was looking at cardiology fellowship programs to train at, what was most important to me was a high volume of clinical exposure and wide range of pathology to learn from. And I've certainly found that at VCU Medical Center. We are one of the biggest academic medical centers in the area with a wide referral center, and so there's no shortage of patients to treat and learn from along the way.
Yeah, I'm here to tell you about how wonderful our program is. The program does a really excellent job of getting future cardiologists together that have similar personalities and yet different interests, where we can grow and learn from each other, but in the meantime we are still able to spend some time together and enjoy activities around the city of Richmond, which has a lot to offer, from local breweries to river to a great food scene.
When I was looking for fellowship programs to train at, I remember applying to a lot of programs, and what struck me here at VCU was the friendliness of the fellows and faculty. I felt a great vibe with Dr. Kalahasti, our program director, during my interview, and that was one of the most important reasons why I ranked VCU so high.
I get exposure to a breadth of percutaneous interventions. Additionally, also doing complex high-risk PCI and CTO procedures. We are also involved in doing peripheral interventions as well.
Another thing that was really important to me in choosing a fellowship program was the opportunity for taking part in research and having good mentorship during training, and there's certainly no shortage of that here at VCU Medical Center as well. I've worked very closely with Dr. Antonio Abate and multiple other faculty members, and with their guidance I've been able to present on national forums, publish in peer-reviewed journals, and take part in cutting-edge findings and research.
We are also involved in the care of new transplanted patients on our heart failure service, and also we take care of the LVAD patients as well with the heart failure team, and learn about different ways to manage them going forward. So I think if you want a variety of cardiology experience in a city that has a lot of different things to offer to help the time go by when you're not in the hospital, it's a great program, and we have a really good experience here to make you a well-rounded cardiologist.
I had always been interested in electrophysiology, and I feel that interest has gotten even stronger under the tutelage of Dr. Ellenbogen. The EP program here is probably one of the best in the country. We do a lot of procedures. The EP fellows graduate with close to 1,300 procedures in 2 years, and all of them are great to work with. And even as general fellows, we get to scrub into labs, get to do devices and scrub into ablations, and it's been a great experience so far.
What I find as a great experience for myself and for my career is the exposure I get to cardiogenic shock and high-risk PCI management, with placing Impellas and actively being involved in an ECMO program as well. All in all, it's a tremendous experience here at VCU for interventional cardiology, and I am very, very happy to be here.
One of the other things I'm really excited about is Dr. Greg Hunley joining as a director of the Poly Heart Center. I feel cardiac MRI is going to form a very important part of training for current and future fellows, and will be a big part of our practice. And Dr. Huntley's vision is to get all of the fellows that train here level 2 certified in MRIs, and we're really excited to see the opportunities that brings for us.
The addition of Dr. Greg Hunley as the director of the Poly Heart Center is also very exciting for the fellowship program. He brings a lot of expertise in imaging and cardio-oncology, as well as research opportunities, and he's already shown that he's very invested in the fellows training, and he's taking an interest in us, and so I think that brings our fellowship program in a very exciting direction. So it's an exciting time to be here overall.
I am really confident that you will find what you're looking for in your ideal fellowship program at VCU, and we sure do hope that you come and interview with us and see if this is a good fit for you.